And that's why bees can't be born.
Ow. Jeez. I'm hungry.
Me too.
What's in the vending machine?
I don't know. Maybe some Cheetos or Lay's.
Ooh, Cheetos sound good. Can you get me some?
Sure. Should I go alone or?
Yeah. Go alone.
Okay.
And you could pay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right.
I'm hungry.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you. Do you know where the vending machine is?
I can show you where it is.
Okay, do you know where it is though?
Maybe.
Is it a yes or a no?
I don't know.
Gotta find it. I should have agreed. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. I just want to say that one time when I was trying to find the strip club in GTA when I was 7. I couldn't find it, but eventually I did. Fuck. Is that where it is? That didn't end well. Definitely didn't end well. But it was worth it. What am I doing? I should focus on the vending machine. I think I see it. I definitely think I see it. She's a Cheetos. We have got word that a man successfully delivered chips to a girl that asked for chips. We don't have any live footage, but as far as we know that he succeeded in his mission. In other news, a very popular TikTok has gone viral all around the world, and we just thought I might add it to the TikTok Hall of Fame as the funniest video ever made. Here we'll have some live broadcasts of the video. This is a disclaimer. Viewer discretion is advised, as this video contains mature themes and is very graphic. Guys, today we're going to try the Grimace milkshake. Here we go.